How to fix AREX0003's connection to game server lost. I'm gonna show you a fix, but first we need to make sure that this is on. It's not on our end, so you want to go search for AREX0003 status, and right here if you click on down detector AREX0003 status, it's gonna show you that any reports of the game being down or the game servers being down. So if you see a sudden spike here, for example here, then that most likely means that it's not an issue coming from your end, but instead it is the game servers. If everything seems to be good like it is right now, then what I suggest doing is opening up your computer, here searching for date and time settings, clicking on this. Now make sure that set time zone automatically is checked and also set time automatically are both checked here. And then what you need to do is click on sync now. Sometimes it's gonna act like you don't have an internet connection when your time and time zone are mismatched. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.